Do these questions sound familiar? Does everyone have an issue with Office 365 this morning? Why do we spend so long arguing over who's to blame instead of engaging the right resolver group immediately? Did the operating system change we put through last night impact productivity? Why can't we automate some of the routine fixes that the service desk carry out day after day? How satisfied really is the business with IT? Where should our IT budget be spent to get the best return? Well, how do you answer all those and more? The answer is Aternity Digital Experience Management from Riverbed. Aternity captures the human perspective of performance, observing every click inside every application on every device to build a picture of how IT impacts the daily life of all of your end users. Combining the three dimensions of digital experience, device performance, application performance, and the performance of the actions that users take inside the applications they rely on, Aternity provides a stream of actionable intelligence that helps customers get ahead of these questions and more. Today, businesses are focused on improving the digital experience of their employees and customers. But in reality, they lack information on where to prioritize investment so as to produce the biggest business impact. Aternity's Digital Experience Index, DXI, automatically identifies digital experience hotspots across your enterprise that impact employees and customers, and then sets you on the path to action and improvement. With Aternity DXI, you'll be 5 times faster at prioritizing objectives, identifying what to improve, and reporting on improvement. Unlike other approaches to digital experience management that are fixed and inflexible, you can tailor DXI to your own objectives and goals that measure against your own historical baseline or against industry standards based on the millions of other endpoints monitored by Aternity. Aternity DXI shows you immediately where to improve for each category and then sets you on the right path to diagnose the root cause and solve the issue. This helps drive continuous service improvement and ensures your business stays on the right path for increased stability and performance of your IT services. Aternity provides proactive alerting if performance issues impact digital experience so that the incident can be quickly isolated and resolved. In Aternity, Level 1 service desk teams have simplified dashboards with color coding to identify issues and access to trigger automated remediation actions that can be executed immediately without further escalation or even the need for end-user interaction. Auto remediation allows for fixes to be deployed automatically when repeatable issues occur, allowing end users to continue to be productive without the need to raise a ticket. With Aternity, IT can put themselves truly in the shoes of their users by understanding the performance of the business activities that users carry out in applications they rely on. Whether it be trying to send an email, open a document, or search for a customer's record, Aternity allows you to quickly drill down to see the digital experience, all monitored from the perspective of the user. Irrespective of how the app is delivered, locally, web-based, or SaaS, Aternity allows IT to isolate issues quickly by narrowing down the likely cause to back-end, network, or client device, allowing issues to be handed off to the right resolver group much more quickly than today. Security updates, application upgrades, and the introduction of new hardware, software, and infrastructure can all impact user experience. Managing IT changes can be complex and, in some cases, feel like a bit of a lottery. Will the change be smooth and sticky, or will it be disruptive to business operations and need backing out urgently? With Aternity, you can assess device operating system and application health scores combined with activity response times to help quickly understand the impact of the change. By comparing data pre and post the change, Aternity can identify, for example, if a critical application is performing slower with the new update applied. IT can now troubleshoot accordingly to resolve the issue or escalate with the appropriate team before it is rolled out more widely. This helps to ensure no issues are introduced into the environment and to ensure increased user satisfaction. While we've talked extensively about increasing the end user's satisfaction with your service and using objective, measured data to support that, what about understanding how the end user actually feels? Aternity can help here too. With the ability to generate ad hoc and scheduled user sentiment surveys combined with objective, measured performance data, you're not only able to see performance from the point of view of your end users, but see how they feel about it too. This and more is Eternity Digital Experience Management from Riverbed.